Once I witnessed a self-made Canadian billionaire answering the question, how you deal with Canadian government if you build your business and you have to consider what they say or not, that sort of thing. He said, if I paid attention to everything Canadian government saying, I wouldn't have time to build the business. That is very critical to understand. Sometimes business people complain about the government, complain about economy, complain about environment. I think it's not a right approach. After all, when do you think politicians are lying? Well, the old saying goes, when their mouth is moving. Okay, so Canada is not just observing how innovation works around the world. Canada is attracting innovation here to build new businesses, to explore new opportunities, and that's what this video is all about. Across Europe, ambitious founders are making a strategic decision. They are choosing Canada as their gateway to North America, and this is not a coincidence. From agri-food technologies to infrastructure monitoring, robotics, and STEM education, European startups are arriving in Canada not just with ideas, but with proven products, funding, and global ambition. In Toronto, during Horizon Sprint Week, founders from all over Europe were seated next to Canadian investors, regulators, and industry leaders, not pitching cold, not guessing, but building relationship. Why it's important? Because Canada today is not offering something delusional, something temporary. Canada is offering stable ecosystem, good connections, strong, no-risk environment for your business and your innovation. But here is the part many founders do not realize. Bringing your startup to Canada is not only a business decision. It can also be an immigration strategy. For entrepreneurs, founders, and innovation-driven companies, Canada offers powerful work permit pathways that align perfectly with expansion plans. For example, if you're an entrepreneur coming to Canada to launch or actively operate your own business, your case may fall under the C11 work permit, designed specifically for entrepreneurs whose presence provides significant benefit to Canada. If you are part of a company of entrepreneurs, co-founders, or an innovative foreign enterprise expanding operations into Canada, your situation may align with C10 work permit, which supports work that brings economic, social, and cultural benefit to the country. These are LMIA-exempt programs, meaning faster processing, no labor market testing, greater flexibility for founders, and a clearer pathway to establish yourself in Canada legally and strategically. They require the right positioning, the right documentation, and a clearer demonstration of benefit to Canada. This is where many founders make mistakes, and this is where Anyvisa steps in. At Anyvisa, we work with international founders, startups, and entrepreneurs who are intended to scale into Canada. We do not just file applications. We build immigration strategy that align with your scaling up expansion into Canada. And many future clients asking us where to start. The best option is to book a consultation. You can find the link in the description below, and we will be happy to arrange it for your convenient time and location. We help you determine where C10 or C11 is the right fit. Structure your business and roll correctly. Present your innovation, market impact, and economic value clearly. And move forward with confidence, compliance, and clarity. Canada is sending a clear message to global founders. If you bring innovation, Canada is open. European startups already understand this. The question is not why they are coming. The real question is, are you ready to come the right way? If you're an entrepreneur somewhere around the world, or co-founder of innovative startup, and considering Canada as your launchpad, Anyvisa is here to guide you all the way, and you can start with watching our videos, one about C10 and one about C11. That will give you original information and kind of founding principles of these two different streams. As always, Like, subscribe to our channel to help us grow and deliver the right content for you and others, and stay safe by staying informed.